Your sound so loud.
I want to see the video.
You need to do this because this is your collections. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite?
You do it.
For me, my first top one is United. My top two, American Airlines.
Make you.
Yeah, it's make you safe. All of them make you safe, but my experience, I would rather choose the American as my top two. My top three is Delta Airlines, and my top four is Spirit Airlines, and my last one is Southwest. So that's the one. So what's your top five? What's your top one? What is your number one airplane? See, look at this. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's quality. You like it, right? My son's collections. He still have like 10 outside, but he broke it. So this is the new one, the new sets. That is wish list during Christmas. So he's collecting airplanes.